Kia ora, talofa. Hi, everyone. Exciting. Oh, I think it's cold here. It's cold here, actually. But you know what? Coming from Auckland, coming down, I love the chill, honest. I don't know if the chill down your side. You all wrapped up and stuff. But I like it here. It's pretty cold. All right, so Wellington born, Lower Hutt. Yep, she's a Hutt girl, and then raised in South Auckland. Woohoo, mangere. Yeah, pretty much. I found my love for singing and knew she had pipes, I think, at the playground. Very young, like in primary, intermediate. However, I didn't really get to use it or knew she had full force until later on, like 20s. So late bloomer. But yeah, I think she started tutuing around, younger. But definitely in the church as well, listening to grandma. It's definitely come down, the gift of singing and song has definitely come down through my biological bloodline. I'm still getting to know who those people are. However, my fostering adoptive whānau family have nurtured the gift of music. Hey, so really blessed to have those people in my life who saw that, oh, she's got a voice. We better do something about it. And yeah, so they've definitely been role models in music, traditional song as well, with my grandmother teaching me about what Pacific hymn music and song. Oof. Well, I can confidently say that my vocal alone is of soul, R&B, and gospel. It has those tones, that texture, that depth and width, that power. Everything around it tends to change depending on the season and how she's feeling. It can go from anywhere between R&B, gospel, soul, and then it flips over to house, lounge, EDM. I love the electronic at the moment. It just makes me move. There's no bad juju. I mean, I'll listen to the 90s, 80s R&B when I want to be in my feels. You know what I mean? But if I'm in that gym and trying to push some weights, hey, I need some upbeat stuff. However, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Nah, I mean, it takes everything full circle. I feel like everything is done in the sun, but it just comes back around. It's recycled. It comes back. They put a new spin on it. However, we know where that sound came from. We know where that clothing, that look came from. So from the good days, from his OG days. Yeah, no surprise. But it is interesting to see what they come up with their creative abilities with AI and all of these other IT tech savvy things they got going on. You know what? I don't think they've changed since the 90s. I don't think they have at all. I mean, the likes of Faith Evans, who else got? Mary J. Of course, she can,
Cool.
Okay, her dance moves a little bit scary. Have you seen her moves? Anyway, who else we got? Mariah Carey's definitely one as well. Erykah Badu, Jill Scott, Sade. I can't get away from those. Everything in this music that's coming has definitely got those elements here. There's sounds, there's textures. Man, what a change. Like coming from Auckland and down into Wellington, it's a new space and I've had to build again, But what a season. I've linked up with a Troy Kelly here at the Armory Studio and I'm definitely going to keep that cat around. So if you're ever around Wellington, look that guy up. He's real good. You get to learn a lot from his gym. This song, Linger, is the first from a body of work. So there are a few to come after that. They're not all slow R&B, slow jam. There are grooves in a few of the other tunes to come. But I think we're just, promo pushing it hard. And we thank you so much for supporting and just having the time to talk. So it's really cool from your end. Hello, everyone. To create means that I'm able to grow or heal and move from whatever it is I was stuck at. Like if it was hurt, usually I do right. Hurt fuels creativity, unfortunately, but it can be a beautiful thing. The product of the outcome can be a beautiful thing. And that's what I've had music be able to do for me, to be a vehicle to spark change or reflection, healing, definitely. Man, so yes, definitely. What a legend, what a legacy. Again, I had a lot of people in my circles in Auckland that were very close and worked alongside Fiji. I didn't quite get there, but however, still a fan nonetheless. Joanna, I would say, was an inspirational song. Yeah, the highs in there. Because Coco, she's a Fia Mariah. Yeah, she's a Fia Mariah Carey. Whistle notes, I try. However, no, with his notes and how he does it, it's just so effortless. And I'm always like, yeah, I can do that. Always gave me that. I can do that. Kind of vibes and just good times all around. His work ethic, he turns up, he shows up, he's loved, he does what he came for a reason, purpose, and he's purpose driven. And he said he was going to be one of the best in his game, and he is and will be, will remain to be. Oh, don't limit yourself. I mean, they say the world is your oyster, but I mean, you're as open as, I don't know, the vast hours that are around, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, if so, my voice is R&B soul, right? But I won't let me just stick to one lane and just do R&B soul. Like, that can go into different, like, it's versatile, that gift, and anything around it can change. So if R&B or reggae is trendy, don't just stick to the R&B. You have your foot in something else. Try the house, try the jazz, try the, what else is there? Blues. Try something else as well. Have your hand in different things. Your gift is versatile, it's flexible, and yeah, you can do it all. Before they're gone. Cool.